Hello, darlings. Winter's upon us, but don't let that dampen your spirits. It's the perfect time to cozy up and let our gardening dreams take root. First things first, let's talk about your growing zone. If you're in Mississauga like me, that's Zone 6, a rather forgiving climate for Canadian standards. This means we have a good long growing season, from late May to early October, even longer with a bit of help from cold frames. Now let's talk about your gardening aspirations. What tickles your fancy? Tomatoes bursting with flavour? Perhaps a vibrant symphony of wildflowers? Sketch out your ideas, my dears. Use graph paper for precision. Even a simple plan will do wonders. And consider square-foot gardening as an option. It's efficient and fun. Winter is also an ideal time to start your own worm casting production. Don't worry, it's not as daunting as it sounds. These little composting wonders create the most marvellous fertilizer, packed with nutrients your plants will adore. Now for the truly delightful part, choosing your seeds. It's like browsing through a treasure trove of possibilities. Order early to avoid disappointment, and remember, organic and heirloom seeds are always a good choice. Some of our little green friends like tomatoes, peppers and herbs appreciate a head start indoors. It's a simple setup, and watching those sprouts emerge brings such joy during the quieter months. Plus, it's a wonderful way to save money and feel accomplished. Gardening is more than just a hobby, it's therapy for the soul. Nurturing plants can do wonders for our well-being, especially during winter. By the time spring arrives, you'll be ready to greet it with open arms and a garden brimming with life. Happy gardening, everyone. May your winter be filled with cozy planning and the promise of a bountiful harvest. Visit Mobius 8 Organics for more gardening tips and inspiration.